He's a journalist. I know he's my colleague. He's a journalist. A journalist is currently being dragged on the road. She's being dragged. This is a journalist who was just covering this event, and he's resisting.
Stand up! What is all this? Give us that! I'm doing my job as a president. Nobody's being arrested. Take him inside now. They never give me anything why they arrested me. They were just holding me. You fighting me. And they want to kill me. Let them kill me in the office. Take him there. Take him there. So enjoy yourself now. Open that door. Open that door. Push him. When I give only one blow like man.
Oga is a journalist. Oga is a journalist.
How do you want to prove that? Let him show you. If he has an ID card, let him show you he has an ID card. No, let him show you he has an ID card.
Give him the opportunity to show you. He's a journalist and you are harassing him. It could be any one of us. It could be any one of us. Let him identify himself. Officer, let him identify himself. Let him identify himself. Let him identify himself. Wait for him to identify himself. He's a journalist. He's a journalist. He's a journalist. No problem. You come to him to allow him to identify himself. He's a journalist. If we don't cover your activities, why will he cover? What is offense? What is offense?
You have any card? You have any card? You are saying that what is the offense? She's not reporting for it. You have been doing well. You have been doing well. You have been doing well.
Oga, we spoke to you this morning. Oga, we spoke. Oga, let me he works with Sahara reporters. He's a journalist, sir.
Does he have an ID card?
He does.
So he's with him?
He's with him.
Let him out the ID card.
Give him the opportunity to identify himself. If he fails, then you detain him. Madam, you saw me since morning. You see that guy that was struggling? He's a journalist. We were there. He was not with any ID card. But give him the opportunity to identify himself. Why was it violent? Madam, let me talk to you. Madam, he's a journalist. Give him the opportunity to identify himself.
What's an arrest? Somebody was in the building, so what is your face?
Vale, como eco. What is happening here, sir?
Sir, they have been some arrests. They have been some arrests, sir.
They have been some arrests here.
There have been some arrests, sir.
The journalist was just
There have been
arrested.
some arrests. How would you respond to
The
that,
journalist was just arrested after identifying himself. That's just been the Commissioner of Police of Lagos State.
I don't even see the CDC wala. Open that gate for you. What have I done? Open the gate. Look here. What have I done? Open the gate. Open the gate. What have I done now? What have I done? I know. Yes. They do like that. Which power I get? Come on now. They have stolen my phone. My phone has been snatched. My phone is there. My phone has been kidnapped. They took my phone away. Ask them. They have stolen my phone. Please. We are on the peaceful. I did not do anything. I was not armed. Right. I was not armed. And they took me away. The kind of government to them. The government that does not respect the rule of law. A government that does not care whether the people exist or not. And you want us to stand by and watch somebody who protected this regime for the He was allowed. He was given access. Your right as a president. Nigerians don't be scared. It takes more than arrest to stop us. Buhari government has gone Nigeria. You will need prisons for 1 million people to stop this. Don't stop. Sorry. Get to come slug you. I will flog you. Come there again. What did you do? They want this on a phone. You can't remove it for you. Axel. If you touch him, you see.
Whenever you can do it. Whenever you can do it.
Right. Thanks.
This guy said the man deserves immediate
If you know this guy, that's on me. You don't serious. Now you want to focus. She brought to the bucket plant. I know. No problem. Welcome. Oh, now you come to this guy. Hello, Papa. I see when they run, except the driver. One already. Then she did. What she started to get behind was to her phone and I did
You don't tell her. You understand it. Okay.
We are currently being harassed and arrested by the police. One of you. I'm not one. No, sir. Listen to me before you listen. She's my. I'm from Premium Times.
You are from where?
Premium Times. I didn't bring it.
Don't let us.
I was in a hurry.
No, you leave this place.
Okay.
I will clean it down.
Okay. I'm a journalist. Some journalists are currently being harassed and arrested.
What is the show? What do you want to do?